The technology is new, but the benefits already make the investment worthwhile. Here are 5 benefits. Electric trucks are silent. This is great when they deliver shops under our windows early in the morning. They can drive in city centers throughout the night, thus easing traffic during the day. Electric trucks don't emit CO2 or NOx as they have no exhaust. The only particles emitted are due to the friction of the tires and brake discs. Exactly the same as for bicycles. Electric trucks can drive anywhere and anytime, regardless of restrictions introduced by municipalities and even during pollution peaks. A real advantage for green and responsible urban applications. And what about driver comfort with a vehicle that is easier to handle and, above all, quieter? The life cycle of electric trucks is also virtuous, as each part can be reused or completely transformed. Top that! There you have it. Now you know.